Introducing the Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the power of infrared technology with air frying for healthier cooking. This multifunctional oven not only toasts and bakes but also air fries food to crispy perfection with minimal oil. Its rapid heating system ensures evenly cooked meals, while the spacious interior accommodates everything from snacks to full meals. Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Extra Large Countertop Convection Oven 10-in-1 Combo, 6-slice toast. Enamel Baking Pan Easy Clean with Recipe Book, Black Matte Stainless Steel. Infrared Heating Plus True Convection Air Fry. Our cutting-edge technology features a powerful and effective heat radiation system, coupled with a high-velocity heated air circulation, which results in a quick and deliciously flavorful brown crust while preventing food from becoming overcooked or dried out. Super versatile, 10-in-1, Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. Unlike typical air fryer or oven with a single function, we take it up a notch by offering 10 preset digital functions that include air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, reheat, warm, slow cook, and dehydrate. This versatile 10-in-1 combination allows you to prepare a variety of dishes with ease and convenience, making your cooking experience more enjoyable than ever before. Family and party size capacity. Val Cucina stands out on the market with a 30%-60% larger capacity. You can easily roast a 5-6 lb chicken, toast 6 slices of bread, cook a. In conclusion, the Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a must-have kitchen companion for those seeking efficiency, versatility, and healthier cooking options. With its innovative infrared heating technology and multi-functionality, it transforms your cooking experience, delivering delicious meals with ease and speed. Whether you're air frying, baking, or toasting, this appliance is